Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday called on citizens to actively participate in Census 2027, describing it as a shared responsibility and urging people to contribute towards making the nationwide exercise a success. He made the appeal during the 133rd episode of his monthly radio program, Mann Ki Baat. Highlighting the scale of the exercise, the Prime Minister said the census is the world's largest population survey and noted that this edition will be conducted through a fully digital framework. He emphasized that the process has been made more accessible with a new self-enumeration feature allowing citizens to submit their details in advance. Explaining the process, Modi said individuals will be able to fill in their information online up to 15 days before enumerators visit their homes. Once completed, a unique ID will be generated and shared via mobile or email, which can later be used for verification. Providing an update, the Prime Minister said house listing has already begun in areas where self-enumeration is complete, adding that around 12 million families have been covered so far. He assured citizens that all data collected will remain secure and confidential, backed by strong digital safeguards. Stressing the importance of public involvement, Modi said the census is not merely a government task but a collective national effort. He urged people across the country to participate actively and help strengthen governance and policy making through accurate data. Census 2027 will be the 16th such exercise since its inception and the 8th after independence. The government has allocated 11,718.24 crore for the process, which will be conducted in two phases: house listing from April to September 2026, followed by population enumeration in February 2027. Beyond the census, the Prime Minister spoke on a range of issues, including education, innovation, environment, and India's global achievements. He encouraged school children to make productive use of their holidays and praised Indian students for their strong performance at the European Girls' Mathematical Olympiad. He also highlighted progress in biodiversity conservation, clean energy, and scientific advancements, reaffirming the role of citizen participation in nation building.